Welcome back, everyone, to Deep Thought, which is our special podcast season, which is released on every weekend, where we discuss about diverse topic and interesting one. So it's been so long time since we have connected, Toby.
Yes,
So how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking. Yeah, it's been like a very long gap since our last podcast. So it was last year
Yeah,
to 2023, and now we are in 2024. So it's been
yeah,
yeah. Anyways, like how is it going? How is your new year? What are you
yeah. It
doing?
is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
it's going between ups and down like a wave, crescent
Yes,
throat
yes. True, true. Same.
between it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah,
Mm.
it's been so long since we have posted our last podcast. So
Yeah.
I am excited to bring some interesting topic to the
Yes.
table today.
Yes, yes. This
Yeah.
year we
So
are thinking of doing some good topics so that we can engage more.
yeah, cover
Yeah, let's see.
audience.
Let's hope for the best this year. So
True.
so today we have decided to take a topic which is related to tech.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
this is something. This
Yes.
topic is something which is going to have impact on our society. Like, right? So
Yeah.
so it's
Basically, futuristic tech. What
futuristic
kind
tech.
of
Mhm.
technology we'll be able to witness in the future? Yeah.
Yes, yes. So you see, nowadays, like everyone is surrounded with tech, right? Left, right, center, everywhere you'll see tech. Right now, we are using tech to connect, right? So it's obviously a very helpful thing, which helps people connect
Mm,
easily, do their task very
true.
easily, makes lives smoother and fast. But
Yeah.
there might be some issues as well. So we will discuss both today.
Mm.
So yeah, so what futuristic tech you are, currently you have your eyes on, which you think is the thing that will be available everywhere, like next 10 years or 15 years maybe, or in the future,
Mhm.
right? So yeah, let's
Yeah.
start. What do you think? What is your
Yeah.
first tech you have in your mind?
The first tag that I have in mind, which I believe that it will be commonly used or to be seen everywhere around the
Hmm.
world, is space-based internet. Uh,
Oh,
I
okay.
believe that already Elon Musk has started a project called Starlink.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Basically, it's
Starlink.
a space-based internet
Hmm.
connectivity system. Basically, how you connect to internet from home. You
Hmm.
have your cell phone, right? Or
Yeah.
you have your laptop.
Hmm.
Basically, you connect to a router, and router is connected to everywhere
Everywhere.
via optical fiber,
Optical
right?
fiber is correct, correct. Yeah,
Yes,
nowadays,
till
I mean, till now,
yeah,
it's our connection is like wired based uh, towers and all those things, right? So
yeah,
it's not
yeah,
space
space
as per
based. It's
se.
not
Yeah,
space.
yeah, yeah. Got it.
Yeah.
Correct. Hmm.
Basically, it's all related to towers and all those, I mean, optical fiber or routers.
Routers,
From
yes.
after like some years, you will be witnessing these technologies commonly used everywhere, where you are getting internet from the space directly, from via satellite. So you
Satellite.
can connect remote places also. Now there are many remote places where it is not
Hmm.
possible to put cell tower there or to put or to
Hmm.
bring optical fibers there.
True.
But a
It's
satellite will be a
hmm.
revolutionary tech
Hmm.
to provide internet. And basically, I
Correct.
believe internet is a basic human right. So it
Yeah,
should be
available to
accessible
all.
to everyone, regardless
Yeah,
of their socio-economic background, right?
exactly. Yeah, and nowadays it's compulsory. Like everyone, everybody needs internet. Without it, you cannot even pay your bills, right? So it's like nowadays it's it's mandatory kind of thing. Anyways, this obviously is one tech, but another tech which I have in mind is in the realm of VRs. Virtual reality. Recently, Apple has
Mm,
released
yes.
a VR set which is called Apple Vision Pro, which is slightly more advanced than the ones that were before, right? Like Meta also built something like that, right? Oculus or something it was called.
Yes.
But this one is
Yeah,
a
yeah.
bit something which is really trending right now. You can see in Instagram or YouTube or everywhere, you'll see lots of
Mm,
people are trying this new tech. Obviously, it's not yet massively used, right? But it is there in US, I guess. So a lot of people are
mm,
trying this. Which actually, what is the advantage of this instead of the other VR sets which were available before? Is that this one has transparent glass. Okay. And also it's like a mini computer only. Okay. It's like a computer where you have multiple screens. You can create as many screens as you want, and you can, you know, use multiple monitors kind of system, right? Also, you have all those
True.
VR stuff as well. I think
Mm,
this
mm,
tech, I think little bit it will, you know, in
mm,
some years it
mm.
will be like very popular and widely used, like we use a phone today or computer. It will be like easier to carry, you know, and go on. Let me show once how the tech look likes. Okay, just to show
Yeah,
give the
sure.
viewers an
Yeah.
idea
A
of
rough idea.
yes, a rough idea of how it actually looks like. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen
Yes,
clearly.
so this is Apple Vision Pro, which they are is recently trending right now. So it's like
Okay.
like a goggles, right? Which has
Mm, okay.
a computer chip here. I heard it's M3, like the laptop's processor is there, right? Similar processor is used here. And
Mm-hmm.
to see the demo, I think you have to go here. I'll just check. Yeah, so you see, the person is wearing this one, and he can create create multiple screens around him so that he can use it like a laptop, right? You can a virtual keyboard is also there.
This this scene is looking like that
Uh,
Iron Man's
yeah,
helmet,
yeah,
right?
yeah. It's a really futuristic thing. It's like yeah, exactly you say Iron Man's, you know, those uh, that what is it called?
Holographic
Hologram.
image,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Also, there is a movie called the Ready Player One. That game, that movie also has this idea. Like the people will be in the future, people will be using this kind of VR sets to explore the world. Like they, most of the people will be connected via this VR kind of environment.
This, yeah, this virtual reality stat
Hmm.
is, I know that it will gain popularity
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It will. It will. It already is popular, but
in the future. In the future, we will see only the starting only.
hmm.
We will
This is
see
the start. This is the beginning, actually.
many different type of VR. This is the
Hmm.
beginning, yeah. This is the beginning only.
This is the
We
beginning.
are just at the starting point of the journey towards
Hmm.
that goal.
Yeah, yeah,
But I believe that with this technology, it has some serious problem will might arise because
yeah,
people
yeah, yeah.
might
Yes, there are
prefer to
some
live in a
cons as well.
virtual life.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
People will be
there are
more
many cons.
online than they disconnected. But you see, yeah, there is pros and cons, obviously. But yeah, one more cons would be like people will
If
be like,
I ask you,
hmm,
if I ask you the pros, what will be that according to you?
pros. I think the pros will be like you can use it for example, multiple screens, right? Or you have multiple tasks to do. Or obviously the feeling will be also good. Like for example, the virtual world, you can explore some other type of apps. But yeah, the cons also is there. I will say cons also there. For example, people will be like 24/7 maybe addicted and attached to this, right?
Engaged to this.
Engaged to this.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah,
engaged
yeah.
to this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah.
I
What I
wouldn't say.
believe that. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Tell
Go
me.
on. Yeah,
Yeah.
so
Go on. Tell me.
yeah, so I wouldn't say it is a bad idea. It is obviously a very good innovation. But yeah, there are some issues as well. Yeah, you can say what do you think? Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever. I mean, the pros I am just sensing from all the people's opinion that
Hmm.
they are saying that the experience, okay, the kind of experience we will get, or there are many people who has the ability, who doesn't have the ability to walk. Basically, they are specially able people, right? They could
Those things also. Yeah, yeah,
this
yeah. True.
some yeah, for them it will be very beneficial because they will
True,
have
true.
those kind of unique
Mm.
experiences of
Yeah.
running, or there are many people who are afraid of water but they still
Mm.
want to scuba dive.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
for those kind of
yeah.
people, it will
Those
be
VR
very beneficial.
experiences will be yeah
Yeah.
experiences will be very very nice. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, what I see the good factor from this tech is all about experience.
Mm.
Basically, it will work for the special able people or
Also,
some
mhm. Also,
yeah,
we
sorry.
might not know other capabilities of this. It is just starting, right? Maybe
Yeah,
there
this
might
is starting
come some
because
other
technology will
innovations.
evolve.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. For example, with the phone, when the phone was invented, it was not like we could do internet right in there. but later on it
Yeah,
was added to it. So like that only,
embedded.
maybe some other, yeah, some other innovations will come along with this later on. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah,
Yeah,
let's move on
that's
with
true.
another one.
I and
If you have any other, I will search it for you. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that is the thing. Yeah, this kind of technology, what I say that yeah, good things it has, but the bad cons is that people might find themselves engaged 24/7 to a virtual
Yeah,
world
yeah, yeah.
instead of interacting in the real
Interact in
world.
the real world.
Uh,
Yeah. True.
already people are much more detached from the reality with
Yes,
the coming
exactly.
of social networking and all
Mm,
those with the expansion of internet. We can
mm,
witness a lot of people have detached themselves from the reality and
mm,
shifted
mm,
towards an virtual
mm.
world already. So
Yeah.
yeah, so this is one the second tag we discussed.
Yeah.
So what else in your mind that will be relevant in the future in the coming years or so?
What other tags you ask? So
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, yeah, this is fine. And okay, okay, one more thing I wanted to actually know, what is going on in the blockchain and Bitcoin, space. Like, uh,
Okay.
so now it's like, uh, before some years, like it was like too much noise we're creating. Like this Bitcoin will change
Yeah.
everything, blockchain will come, and
Yeah. True.
but
True. True.
now it's bit faded. I'm not sure why I didn't. I don't know. It might be, but I didn't hear much innovations lately. Like before, it was a lot of hype about
Mhm.
it, but I'm not
Hype
sure.
and noise.
Mm, 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 mm,
See, the thing with the blockchain technology, see, there is some points regarding blockchain technology.
mm,
The technology like artificial intelligence or like say VR, all those kind of technology are expanding at a very faster rate. But yes,
mm,
this blockchain technology is expanding, but it has utility, but it is not expanding at the rate which
mm,
was anticipated before.
mm.
So, but I still believe that blockchain has so much of potential
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the
It has
upcoming
potential.
tech because see,
Yes.
it has potential because you
Mm.
see, see the with the coming of the Bitcoin has revolutionized the concept of money. I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
tell you why. Okay,
Mm,
many people's according to many people the bitcoin is just an asset which can
mm,
store value, which
mm.
can, let's say you buy it at $100,
Yeah,
after 1 or 2 years it will become $150, so there will be some price appreciation, right? It will go up,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So your wealth
Just
will
like
be
gold or
stored.
something. Yeah. Mm,
It counter, yeah, just like gold, where you buy it to preserve your wealth so that
mm,
inflation does not devalue your money.
mm.
But apart from it,
Yeah.
Bitcoin has also other functionalities. Like you see, with
Mm.
paper currency, you are
Yeah.
dependent so much on the government.
Yes,
The
yes, yes.
government, with the failure of internet, you might not even with many there are many things which
Mm.
might lead to your which might cut your accessibility to that resources, to your
Yeah, yeah.
money.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
this Bitcoin is totally owned by you. Nobody can control it. So
Yeah, yeah.
it has
Also, yeah, it has
given
limited.
some kind of autonomy to a
Yeah, yeah.
person's financial
Yes,
life.
anonymity is also there, and there is no middle person, right?
Autonomy মানে আমি just say full control I would
Full
say
control.
of their
Okay,
wealth.
yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. Also, yeah, there is like no middle person, right? Like no government can do that. But yeah, obviously there are some caveat to that. It might they might control some, but yeah,
Yeah.
this is another tech which might go big in the future.
No,
Also, AI.
apart from this currency only, I think blockchain has many, many utilities because a blockchain might have to do something with the security also. Currently, we are like all of the platform that you are using are
Mm,
not much secure. We have some security, even if they claim to have end-to-end encryption in many of the
mhm.
things.
Yeah, yeah,
Those
yeah.
are not
Encryption.
end-to-end encrypted. Somebody
Mm,
can read it. So
yeah,
with the advance of the blockchain technology, I think the communication will be much more secured. All of your things will be
yeah,
properly
yeah.
documented. Even
Yes,
in
yes.
case of land ownership,
Yeah,
you see here, just you can see here in
yeah.
Assam, you
Mm,
can see there are many scams that are being done
mm.
on buying and selling of land because
Yes, yes.
nobody knows the owner who actually went. If
Mm.
blockchain is embedded in things like land ownership or something,
Yeah, yeah.
then to you'll be see able to
Permanent.
see who
Yeah, yeah,
exactly
yeah.
won this
That's true.
particular
That's true.
property and all.
Yeah, there are
So
other like utilities. I also heard about Ethereum using for certificates and all so that it would be
yes,
modified. Yeah.
to
So
this authenticity.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
True.
yeah. So yeah, this text, I think it will go. It is a bit slow now, but maybe it will go faster in the future. Anyways, moving on to the other texts, I think there are like obviously we cannot ignore AI, right? Artificial intelligence. It is like the
AI.
thing now,
Yes.
everywhere.
This is the thing now. We cannot
Yes, yes.
ignore. In
Yeah, you
21st
cannot
century, you
ignore it.
cannot ignore AI.
Yes, like see, even if I am doing here, right? You see, Copilot is here, right? This Copilot is AI only, right? It's like ChatGPT. This is a part of ChatGPT only because Microsoft is only owns ChatGPT. So this is another thing which is it's something we
Yeah.
cannot ignore now. It's now it will be a part of our life now, because everywhere, anywhere you will
Mm.
need the AI recommendations or whatever. Even if we watch Netflix or something, right? These recommendations are
Mm-hmm.
based on your
Uh,
your data, processing and all those things.
mm,
How what you like,
uh,
it will try to suggest the same things. So
mm,
also there are like self-driving cars now. Obviously,
mm.
self-driving cars are not here yet in India, but once our infrastructure is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
here, that's the issue. Otherwise, it might have. So these
See,
se-
yeah,
mm,
huh,
self-driving cars,
see,
or also there is like
mm,
this what to say, uh, deep fake and all those things also comes into part of.
deepfake are,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Those things.
see, this
Yeah, yeah,
kind of things. See, one more thing I would like to add, very important thing I would like to add, the
yeah.
kind of technology in AI space that we are witnessing, like
Mm,
Chat GPT or something like some, or I can say Copilot, or there are many kind of bots are there.
yeah.
Basically, these are the tip of the iceberg, the bread and crumbles. The
Mm,
real technology is still being developed or still being tested
yeah, yeah.
inside the labs of Microsoft or like Google
Exactly,
or some
exactly. Yeah,
big,
these
big
are.
tech giants.
Yeah, I think
Ah,
these are just the trailers, right? I think
these are
more.
just a trade. This is just a bread and crumbles. In
Yeah.
future, I believe you will be seeing this AI will
Mm,
be diagnosing medical condition, will be
yeah,
able to
yeah.
find out
Mm,
cancer way
mm.
before a doctor could find it out,
Yeah,
and
you
it
see
will be
this one.
able to
You can see this
suggest
one.
you medication which would work. Yeah,
Nanotechnology, see, manipulating materials of atomic and molecular scale opens up possibilities in
huh.
medicine, electronics, and manufacturing. So these kind of things,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Biotechnology breakouts, okay, and
Mm.
renewable energy. Okay, this thing is also renewable energy is also like a lot of companies are focusing on this one. For example, going green or renewable energy. Like Apple is also saying that they will do fully
Yeah.
green like technology. So yeah, these things are also future, I guess, right?
Yeah, basically, these things are also there, but what I see there, AI will be much more closer
Yeah,
at our
true.
doorstep because
True, true, true.
you will
It's
see
already, it's already,
future.
it's already in our
Uh,
doorstep, right? We use it like nowadays every day.
I'm betting you will
Mm.
see AI in classroom in the future.
It's, I
You will
think it's
see
already
AI.
there. I think it's already in some part of it. Yeah, yeah, true, true. Exactly, exactly. I
You'll be
also agree.
teaching the student.
Yeah,
Okay, and
yeah. Oh, you have you seen
not
those
only
deep
that, you will.
fakes? Have you seen
Uh,
those deep fakes where like the news presenter are like AI generated? They are like not real people, but they are giving news, casting the news.
Yes, yes, yes. There are many deepfakes video that is circulating in the internet. It's very dangerous because
Mhm.
anyone one can impersonate you with certain
Yeah,
keystroke,
yeah. Those things also there. Yeah,
and there is
the issues are
uh,
lots. Issues are also there, right? We already discussed in
exactly. Huh.
one episode of ours, previous episode of AI. We have discussed
Mm,
much more about AI
yeah,
specifically. So you can check this out as well, like our audience,
but
obviously.
there are constructive uses also that I
Yeah,
can say
obviously.
AI has a huge potential in
Mm,
medical sphere, in
mm.
medical and finance
Finance
sector.
as well.
And
Yeah, yeah.
AI might be able
Also,
to predict.
entertainment also has a lot of capabilities.
Yeah. Entertainment is also there, but I
Mm.
think the significant front will be health sector,
Yeah.
where
Also,
AI will be able to diagnose diseases
self-driving car. I
before
think it will also go
they.
right. Mhm.
Yeah, self-driving. See, self-driving car will be a future, but I don't believe that
Mm.
we'll be witnessing it in the near future. Because see,
Yeah.
in order to have a self-driving car, you should
Yeah.
have the proper
Yes,
roads,
yes.
proper
Proper
road
infrastructure is needed. Yeah,
infrastructure.
true, true, true. I agree, I agree.
I
Mm.
Many part of the world doesn't have proper road infrastructure
Yeah.
because, and you can see if driving has to be autonomous, then there is certain factor that we have to keep in consideration, like the how people used to use that road, because
Mm.
like you have seen, no? There are many
Yeah, yeah.
people who used to
True, true, true.
cross road
Yeah,
wherever there
it's
is not zebra
disaster
crossing,
here. Yeah,
but
yeah,
but a computer will not understand, right? It will
yeah.
only
Mm.
stop in a zebra crossing, right? Or
Yeah, yeah.
sometimes there are
Exactly.
certain problem that might arise with
Mm.
self-driving
Yeah,
car.
obviously, yeah, that true, true, true. It's not like perfect thing. Obviously, it's you cannot rely 100% on that exactly, right? Yeah, yeah. Obviously, AI is something which we will see in future multiple innovations with it. That's for sure. I think. Yeah. Anyways,
Mhm.
one more
Yeah, true.
thing, like I wanted to say is any tech with
Mm,
whichever it comes, right? Obviously, it
mm,
will have pros
mm,
and cons. We just have to use it
mm,
sensibly so that obviously we have to keep in mind all the pros and cons when we use something, right? That's one thing.
mm,
Anyway,
mhm,
so
mhm.
I think we can wind up here today for today. Um we will
Yeah.
discuss in length for another topic in our next podcast, which will be coming soon, obviously in the next weekend. Uh, we were obviously had a gap, had a break, but now we are
Mhm.
back, and you should
Yes.
obviously tune in with us, right?
Yeah, sure. We will be back next week again with some interesting topic to
Mm.
share with all of you guys. So for
Yeah.
now, I think we have to say each other goodbye.
Yes.
So yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you for
So
listening.
see
Yeah.
you. Yeah, sure. Okay, so thank you for listening and see you next week.
Yeah. See you. Bye.
Bye.